Okay, let's talk about how to draw support and resistance with the help of Fibonacci tools. Actually, the label does not mean it will respect all the times, but it's mostly used for Forex trading. But we are not opening a position only when confirmed by the Fibo labels. There are a lot of criteria to follow before open a position. Fibonacci is only tools for additional confirmation. Let's say there are 11 peoples beside of you and you call the polls for select something. 5 people agree with you and other 5 are disagree. It means there are 50-50. Then if the last person finally agree with you, you will be win. So Fibonacci is something like that. It's a tools to take help from. But you need additional confirmation to use the Fibonacci level. It means this is a tools who can help you to identify some levels. Is this strong levels or weaker levels? As binary is a short period of times, I mean we'll predict next candle only. So we need to focus price action then the Fibo level. It means how the candle close and how the candles are moving into the Fibo level. Is their Fibo level work well in recent market or not? So move to the chart and draw some levels with the help of Fibo tools to understand how to draw correctly. And normally Fibo level will not work when this kind of market. It's like it will work when it's something like a zigzag or maybe it's uptrend but it's getting some correction, something like that. See, this is uptrend and this is a correction. So this is the Fibo tools. Here you can see Fibonacci line. For example, market is here now, it's getting back from here. So now we need to understand where the market might be going to back from which levels. So this is the previous high. Select the previous high and recent low. Now you can see there are some numbers. So all the numbers is not focusing numbers. Mostly we will focus 38, 61, 161, something like this. And sometimes we can respect 50 and 100 too. All are the important, but most important is 38, 61 and on 61. This is a golden ratio. It's called golden ratio. Okay, so let's see, market is here now. Now as this is a 38 number, so there can be a price action. Okay, and see this is a 61, 61.8, and there are some levels too. You can add, but you can add in Forex. Here Forex means MT4. You cannot add it here. It's a default setting. And also you can see on 100 levels there are price action too. And if you take a look right side, see these levels are working. This is a resistance levels become support, strong support. See, I didn't saw this number or this candle. I only draw level at the here actually in this area, because I was consider market is something like this. Here is moving, so I want to predict from which area market might be retrace or might be back. So when we will see that market is at the 61.8 level, we can draw another level here according to the 61, and we will see on the left side is there any price action or not. If is there a price action, so there already we have one confirmation, and if this is a downtrend, so there are two confirmation. After that, if we can see there are price action on the 61 levels, so this is a additional confirmation. By this way you need to check the levels. It means, for example, this is a 100 levels I have draw. If previously it worked, then we can act with this. Otherwise also we can act, but this is a additional confirmation. If there are any price action on the left side, something like this or something like this, see this is a seller's area, this is a seller's area, and if it match with this area, then we can act with this. Okay, also you can see here, sorry, so let me move this line. Okay, no problem. This is a 61 level. Here we saw it's worked as a resistance, and it got support here on number 50. Okay, here also if it is a resistance, then we can expect this is a support too. As you see, resistance, resistance, again resistance, and it broke by this candle. After break the candle, and this is a number, and always you should remember, level is not a particular number. Level is combined with area. This is an area. Okay, this is a level now fully. So this is still not a breakout candle according to this rejection, but this is a breakout. After breakout, we normally expect a retrace candle, and this is the retrace candle. I'll tell all about this retrace candle later in the coming session, but now let's move to the right side. See, this is a 161. This is also golden ratio, and 261 also golden ratio. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, 4 are golden ratio, but others also we can follow. This is the most important. As you can see, as soon as hit this level on 61, it got reject, again strong buyer's entry, then again retrace, and here we can see price action. It means Fibo levels are following by this market, so we can follow through. Here you can see this is a breakout, and it retrace, again buyer's entry. Here we see this got a support. So now this is a level. This two line combined a level, so we can uh, take action according to the price movement at this level. As you can see, strong seller's entry, here also strong seller's entry. So now we know what to do here, and here you can see this is a 261 levels. At the level we can see price action too. Also here another confirmation, this is a round number. So we already know about round number, what we can do on the round number. So there are two confirmations. So according to two confirmation, before without the Fibonacci, we have only one reason. Now we have two reason, also rejection. So according to this, we can expect a sellers or something like that. So this is the Fibonacci. I will draw some levels too. Okay, here let me clear all. Now recent market. So if you want to draw Fibonacci level here, you need to select the low price and then high here. Okay, now you see this is the 50 level, which is market respected strongly. Okay, after 50 level it got uh, support. Okay, and it getting rejection from 23. 23 is a golden, sorry, 38 is a golden ratio, 61 on 61. So I already told you. So here I can see price action. Now you need to check the left side. Is there any price action or not? If is there any price action, then we can act with this. There is no price action, and this is a breakout candle for some area. Maybe left side has some area previously. So that's the reason we can see that there is a breakout, and here we can see also price action. See, this is a breakout candle and this is a retrace. After that also you can see seller's entry. It means this is a level which we can respect future here. Okay, so let's check another pairs if we have something. Okay, let's draw a level here. This is a high price and this is a low. Now here we can see this is a 38 number and it has been respected. How do we know? This is a round number. As you can see, 400 got reject. Again it didn't made a high here, close at the level. So maybe as this is a downtrend, maybe we will go with sellers in this candle too. Sometime it can happen, and it's a common. This is your losing trade. Okay, so sometime you will face this kind of losses, but when you see this is a momentum, a strong momentum, so immediately you should not go with sellers. That I will tell you later. Okay, so when you saw a strong candle, sellers entry, again sellers entry, and see now buyers are becoming powerful, but candle close at the level exactly at the 38 level. So let's see, is this work previously, or is there any price action or anything? No, recently there is no price action because market is open just because now is 4, so 1 or 2 hours it opens. Okay, so now you see on the right side this is a zero number. This is a support level. It got resistance, resistance, resistance. It's trying, and see, this time market make a low, but here it didn't came down and trying to make up. It means this is a breakout candle. So after breakout, there we can expect a retrace, but this is only about line, so we cannot expect this candle will touch this line. This should be an area. See, you can see this is an area. So candle close here, this is a rejection level. From here we can see buyer's entry, and candle close here. From here you can see seller's entry. Again got reject, seller's entry, buyer's tried, seller's entry. So this is a level, and you can see there this is a retrace candle, and it retrace the level completely. If you draw the level perfectly here, so it this is a completely retrace candle. So after that we can expect a buyers because this is a breakout candle and this is a retrace candle. So let's see some other chart, because you need to understand the Fibonacci tools completely so that you can use it perfectly. Let's say this is a highest price and this is a lowest price. If you want to check this level, or if you think the market is here, so you can draw the level here. Okay, now see, it got resistance from 61. Okay, this is a 61. See, rejection, rejection. So now you need to check the level. After this confirmation, you cannot act accordingly. You need to check the left side too. So this is a level. It can be like 1 or 2 pips something here and there, but it's a level. So there can be some different. So here you can see after seller's entry got reject and buyer's entry. It means this is a level. So we can follow this level. And if you think market is something like here, So now you can draw the level from here, because this is a highest price and this is a lowest price, and this is just correction. So you can follow this level. So here you can see this 50 level is worked, but here I don't see everything work well. This is a breakout candle at the 23 and it's retrace the level, and again see this is a zero line. It's trying again, several time trying, and this is a breakout candle. So this is, since this is a level, so we can expect until this, because until this we saw seller's entry, and this is completely retrace the number. So by this way you can use the Fibonacci. Also in this range you can use something. If you want to draw Fibo here for a long time, you can draw tools something like this. Okay, so as you can see, market is at the 38 levels now. Now you need to check the level on the left side. There is no particular price action. Okay, if this is a level or 61, there is no also particular, but if price comes here and have some actions, then we can act. Okay, but as I can see from 38 levels, we can see strong price action, because buyers are trying, but it's still unable to make a buyer's candle above the 38 levels. See, it's getting rejected because some of trader is still following the tools strongly. That's the reason we can see some price action on the levels. So let's draw here. This is a market movement. Now let's predict. This is a lowest price and this is a highest price. So this is a 50 number. It's respecting. Okay, if it break, then we can expect price action at the 61 level, but we should make sure on the left side has any levels or not. Yes, this is a level, so we can expect a price action here too. Okay, so this is a OTC. Let's move to the real market here. This is real. Now it's closed. So if you draw here, this is highest price and this is a lowest price. You can consider this wicks or without wicks, but it's good to measure it including wicks. So here you can see this is for example, market is here. Now it's when market is going down, that time you should not draw the Fibo level, because you don't know where the market might be going. But when market got support from anywhere and it's trying to make a momentum here, then you need to draw the level, and now you need to you can predict where the market will get support. If left side is any level, strong level, and the levels are matching with the Fibonacci, then you can wait for the level. See, this is a round number. This is a seller's entry, and this is a 61 number. So there are three chance. There are three chance, and as this is a sideways market, so mostly it will follow. Not only sideways, if this is a downtrend, it will strongly follow this level. So when you see candle close at the levels, previously there has some sellers entry too, it means this is not a strong momentum. So after that you saw a strong rejection, then you can go with sellers if you think this is a safe, because there are more chance candle will go either it will make green or red. So as there are more chance to make red candle, because this is a seller's level, this is a seller's level, this is a 68 number, so there are more chance, and there are round number too, so there are a lot of chance to see round number two, there are a lot of chance to make a red candle. So in that case we should go with sellers. And if you check on the right side, most of the time it will work. See 23 it works, but it depend on if their left side is any price action and it match with this Fibo number, so this is an additional confirmation. Let's see, this is also real market, and for example market is okay. Let's go back anywhere and let's try to predict. Okay, this is a trend here, you can see highest price, lowest price. Now so this is a 60, and here we can see price action. If you see left side, you can adjust it. This is a level, so here you can see this is a levels completely without Fibonacci. We can see this is a strong levels. There I can see price action, sellers entry, sellers entry, buyers trying, but it unable to make a high here. It didn't cross sellers entry, and this is a breakout. Finally here you can see it got support and buyers entry. It means this is a strong levels. Okay, so now we can expect price action on the 68 numbers. So here it didn't touch, or maybe it touch, there is still gaps. So here you can see this time it didn't work well, but still there are price action. And on the 38 also it didn't work well, only see here sellers entry, but it got support, breakout again. This is a retrace, but it's not considerable because it's not working well. So you need to check the recent market. If this is working on recent market, then you can follow it correctly. I mean, if you want to trade using Fibonacci tools, you need to check some levels from here on the left side. If it works and all the condition match, and this is an additional confirmation. Again, this is an additional confirmation to confirm your position. So mainly this Fibonacci tools work as an additional confirmation. So I think you understand all about Fibonacci tools, how to draw and how to use.